I'm going to be unboxing this Alienware model AW3225QF monitor. It's 32 inches, 4K, ultimate high definition, 240Hz curved QD-OLED gaming monitor. Today's video will just be an unboxing. I'll do a review in a separate video at a later time. This little box here just has a bunch of safety info in it. Here's the instructions it came with, along with a calibration report. This piece here is a back cover if you want to hide all the cords and whatnot that you're going to plug into the back of your monitor. We got a microfiber cloth to wipe your screen. This piece here is part of the base. Came with 3 cords here. This one's a display port. So the monitor comes with some USB ports. This cable here provides power to those ports. And of course we have an HDMI cable. This is the power cable. And this is the second part of the base. In order to take this monitor out of the box, you should connect this part of the base to the back. And then lift from here. I skipped a step where I put the base together, but we're going to pull off this styrofoam cover. I'll put the monitor on my desk before I remove this plastic cover. So that's really about it. Like I said, I'll do a review in a separate video. Thanks for watching.